Alright, I'm hoping for rain here today, although I think it's going to miss us again. But I got a new recording set up I'm trying out right now with the GoPro. See how it works. Okay, so real quick before I hit the driveway, look at this kind of mess up here. This is my turnaround expansion. I've finally just about finished this. I'll put a couple of links to our recent ones, but here's what it looks like now compared to this. So let's get into today's last ditch mowing. I basically got a mic on me on the inside now. Okay, as you could see, that GoPro external microphone did not work, which was really a shame. I had high hopes for it. So this was another one of them video sets that I took but never posted any video on it. This was probably the last mowing of our mile-long road, or it's almost a mile long. So I'm going to kind of hodgepodge it. I don't know if it'll be music or what it'll be, but we'll get some nice scenery because we have an absolutely beautiful driveway, and it's kind of fun watching this Pac-Man heavy-duty mower just take down the weeds. So let's run it, and you guys have a good weekend. It's Friday night, so I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Careful, there's a culvert right up here, and it's very steep. Right? Steep one over here to the left. Just don't know when the bottom's going to fall. There's a culvert, I think, right here. Okay, so if this ain't cool, modern homestead country living, I don't know what is. My neighbor, his boy Hugh, brought us some fresh eggs from their chickens on his dirt bike. I mean, come on, people, if that ain't cool, I don't know what is.